What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you 5 high protein recipes that you can make within 5 minutes that require little to no cooking, stuff that's easy to make on the go, high protein snacks. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Right, so the first recipe is protein oats. I like to have this a lot before my workouts because 1 is high protein and 2 is high carbs, and I like to have a lot of carbs right before my workout, obviously for energy. So with this recipe, you're gonna need steel cut oats or Quaker quick oats. You're gonna need some sort of berry. I like to do strawberry. You can also do blueberry, raspberry, blackberry, whatever you want. Some 0 calorie syrup. This kind of adds to the sweetness without adding too many calories. Some almond milk or skim milk to keep, again, the calories low. And then 1 scoop of either chocolate, vanilla, or I guess whatever protein powder that you want to add on top of the oats once you're cooking it. Recipe 2 is more of a lunch-based recipe. Big salad I like to have, a lot of vegetables, a lot of volume, kind of fills me up throughout the day. I don't typically have a lot of carbs in the morning or afternoons because I kind of crash after I have a lot of carbs. So I typically save all my carbs before the workout or after workout. So this I'll usually have as maybe a first meal or something for lunch. So what we got here is a big salad. So usually instead of romaine lettuce, I'll use spinach as my base, just more micronutrients. And then I'll add, obviously you can substitute any vegetables you want in there as well. So what I'm gonna do is bell peppers, I got baby tomatoes, mushrooms, and then for the dressing we got Popeye light dressing, so I think it's only like 30 calories per serving. And then for the protein, obviously a breast chicken, and then we're gonna saute some onions as well. So yeah. Boom, baby!
Oh, that looks so good with like the steam.
Unreal. Alright, so recipe number 3, my personal favorite. It's like an egg Benedict McMuffin kind of thing. So we got obviously the McMuffin itself, a couple of eggs, so I'm going to be making 2 of these. Some smoked salmon, so this is pre-cooked salmon, some cream cheese, and then like clove spinach that you can add in there as well. So this one is my personal favorite out of all the recipes that I'm showing you guys today. Jesus Christ. a fucking chef, bro.
Oh my god. That's amazing. The yolk complements it so much.
Yeet.
Alright, so recipe number 4 is a smoothie, a protein smoothie. I've been really enjoying this, having as my post-workout shake rather than just having a protein shake. I find the protein just tastes a lot better when it's blended up. So for this, you're gonna need a protein powder. I like to have a peanut butter or like something flavored rather than just chocolate or vanilla. Adds more flavor to it, obviously. Some fruit, I like to have banana or strawberries. Some almond milk. Greek yogurt for some more consistency, and then a cup of ice. And that's it. Last but not least, recipe number 5. I got this one when I was down in LA over the summer, so shout out to Amelia Sky. I got this one off her. This one is more of a dessert kind of thing, still high in protein. So the things you're gonna need for this, obviously, I find Quest bars work the best for this. So either like a Quest peanut butter bar or a Quest chocolate chip bar or chocolate brownie bar. Those I think 3 are the best for this dessert. And then you're also gonna need some syrup, some 0-calorie syrup as well, a banana, or you can have other fruit, maybe strawberries or blueberries. Some powdered peanut butter. I like this one more than like regular peanut butter because it's a lot less in calories and it's basically the same, much less processed than regular peanut butter. And then to top it off, just some halo top at the very end. So yeah, this is I don't have this one too often, but it is really good. Dessert kind of thing when you are dieting, when you have that sweet tooth. So yeah. Alright, so out of all 5 recipes, so I made 2, one for myself and one for Dom. Out of all 5 recipes, buddy, which one did you like the most?
I'm definitely gonna have to go with the salmon and eggs Benedict.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, the salmon with the cream cheese was absolutely bomb, and I feel like that was like the most versatile meal. I could have that like any time of the day.
Love that. And what was the worst?
The worst?
Yeah.
I think they're all pretty damn good. I'm so stuffed right now. I can't really even eat.
Yeah.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below which recipe you enjoy the most, and I'll have all of the macros and calories listed below as well with all the ingredients. So thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.